Well, one of our neighbors got everybody together, and we all decided that we wanted to get our road cleaned up because there was trees crossing it and all over the place. So we got together and we made organized piles up as we worked our way to the end of the road. So from the bottom to the top, it took about 3/4 of a day to do all of the cutting and separating the brush from the main branches and getting the main branches into smaller pieces that could be handled and moved around. Yeah, we had varying levels, varying ages, varying skill levels. We had neighbors that had chainsaws that could chip them in for the work, and so we just if you operated a chainsaw, then you weren't dragging brush around, and vice versa. And then we had one neighbor that made a big pozole lunch, and so that was everybody just kind of chipped in.
Well, the whole road is probably only going to take about an hour or two. It's not a very long road, probably what, half a mile or so, and it'll probably there's a varying amount of piles, so it will probably take the crew an hour or maybe two to do the entire road.
Great.